We will now begin. I want you to find a position where you feel comfortable and can allow your body to relax. If you're new to meditation, we recommend that you try not to lie flat on your back, but to have your back supported by a chair or to sit up in your bed. I'm first going to guide you into a relaxation sequence to put your body and mind into a relaxed state. We will start by bringing your attention to your breath. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Each time you take a breath in and exhale, you will feel yourself getting more and more relaxed and going deeper into a meditative state of mind. To help you go deeper, I'm going to have you draw your attention to the top of your scalp. Draw your attention to the top of your scalp. Feel it relax. You can imagine someone gently stroking the top of your head. Feel that sensation of relaxation in your scalp. Now feel that flow gently downward, all the way down to your cheeks. Now your face. Feel your face relax. Focus on your eyelids for a moment. Feel how relaxed they are. Let that feeling of relaxation flow gently downward, all the way down to the rest of your body. Feel that feeling flow to your shoulders. Feel your shoulders relax. Now your upper arms. Now your lower arms and your hands. Feel your fingers completely relax. Feel this feeling now flow all the way down to your chest, your abdomen, your hips. Now your thighs, your knees, your calves, your feet, all the way down to your toes. You are now in a relaxed state of mind. We will now practice phase 1, compassion. I want you to take a deep breath in. Now exhale. Now take another breath, and this time, as you breathe in, picture a white light beaming down from above, touching the top of your head. As you breathe in and exhale, feel this light go from the top of your head all the way down to your face, your shoulders, your hands and your fingers, to your chest, your abdomen, your upper thighs, your knees, your calves, and your feet. Now take another deep breath in. Now see this light expand from your body outward and envelop you in a bubble. Bring back to mind a moment in time when you felt love or compassion towards yourself or another human being. Could be a moment when you felt pure love towards a romantic partner, or a child, or even a pet. Imagine this bubble that's enveloping your body to be filled with this feeling of love. Now take a deep breath, and as you exhale, make that bubble expand and fill the entire room you're in. See that entire room filled with this white light of love and compassion. If there's someone else in the room, imagine them being the recipient of your compassion. A good way to practice this is to repeat a specific phrase in your head. A suggested phrase is, "May you be free of pain and sorrow. May your life be filled with joy and happiness." Now take another deep breath. And as you exhale, see that bubble further expand and now enveloping your entire house or apartment building. Think of the people in this building and feel your level of compassion reach out and extend to them too. Repeat any statement of compassion you like towards them. If there are multiple people in the building, don't worry. Imagine them as one entity and speak to all of them at once. Now take another deep breath. And as you exhale, feel this light of compassion enveloping your entire neighborhood. See a specific person in the neighborhood, a cab driver, a mailman. See them as representative of the people in that neighborhood and repeat your compassion statement to them. Now take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, see that bubble of compassion extend to envelope your entire city. Once again, make your statement of compassion and direct it to people of your city. Feel yourself being able to emit compassion and love to this city that you live in. Take a deep breath. And as you exhale, feel that light of your compassion further expand to envelope your entire country. If you wish, you can see a map of your country directly in front of you. See it covered and beaming with that white light of your love and compassion. Make your statement of compassion towards the people in your country. As you do this, feel yourself connected to every living being that is part of this country you're in. Now take another deep breath. And now as you exhale, feel that light of your compassion envelope the entire planet Earth. You may see the planet in front of you, visualize the Earth, bring back to mind any imagery of the Earth you have seen in the past, and see this globe covered with the white light of your compassion. Imagine as if you could talk to the collective members of planet Earth and repeat your compassion statement to them. Feel yourself connected, related to all life on Earth. Feel yourself radiate compassion and love to all life on Earth. And feel yourself as part of this beautiful ecosystem. We're now done with phase 1. We will now bring you out. I'm going to count from 1 to 5. This will be a trigger to help you come out of your deep meditation and to feel incredibly good as you open your eyes. I'm going to count from 1 to 5. Feeling wonderful, feeling better than before. You have now completed day 1